I'm going to be reviewing and showing you how to use INTVL, which is a running app, which you can basically just capture and conquer different territories, which basically will turn running into a game. Now, when you open up the app, you can actually see you'll be brought to this screen right here. It'll basically give you the walk down on how to join and sign up, where you can actually sign up with your Google account or email. And once you sign up, you'll be brought to this screen like so, where it's basically going to walk you down and show you all of the different territories and regions that you can run in and how you can actually claim different territories through running loops, which you can basically just do by running in circles, and it'll actually just close off the ring like in this image right here and show you how many meters squared you actually captured. As you can see, running out and back will basically give you less territory. Since this is a game, you do want to run in giant loops if you can, ideally. You can basically just run this by setting it to your watch, which you can do so when you're setting up your app, or you can actually just log it within the app right here after choosing your distance. And when you click on start run, as you can see, we click on allow, and you can basically run in circles in however area you want. And when you do, it'll show you your area that you've actually captured. It will show the duration, mileage, and average pace of your run right here. And you can simply pause it or hold to finish your run using this button right here. And once doing this, you can actually rate your run, how easy or hard it was to actually do, and you can basically log it, or you can add photos and view it just on your profile. And you can even follow a bunch of different friends and people just across the world on this app like so, and even earn prizes in your area. If you see, we can click on the start run in the bottom right corner if you want to start your runs again, which is what you need to do when you're actually running on this app. Or you can go to the feed to view different friends' runs that have been done that you follow on this app, or view any group runs if there's like a group that you're in, or following if you want to find friends to follow. You can do it on this page right here. Or you can actually go to the Me option to view XP challenges and view different live streams and events that are happening within this app. It's basically just a game. You can view the leaderboards right here on the Me option, or as well in the Play option, you can view your territory and all the territory in the world that has been gained. But basically, this is an app designed to gamify running, and you can basically just use it to capture territory, but you don't have to. You can interlink it with Strava or other watches or running devices that you may have, so it uploads automatically. That's all you need to do to use this app. You can use it to join competitions, follow friends, and view runs, and of course your own.